Now, as shocking as it may seem, I have never played this game before. I know, like, everything and stuff, like, I know the Phantom, like, and see? Warning. Read this. Read this so I don't have to put a, warning in the title or description, please. I was about to like it for a sec. Whoops. So, yeah. Let's start playing, I guess. I heard this game is gonna make me cry, maybe. And I wanna cry, for some reason. So let's see if it'll make me cry. Or get shocked like how I was in Jim's computer. Also, guys, it's almost spooky month. You know what that means. Sally face, soon. Sally face. I'm gonna play episode 1 soon, okay? I have the game. Also, I organized my desktop. I put everything in like a folder other than Steam and Discord. Because I got Discord on my computer. Anyways, load faster. Okay, I'm skipping. Alright, let's play. Alright, so if you are uncomfortable with any of those that were just listed on the screen, please, I would recommend, like, immediately getting off of this video. Leave me alone. What? What did he say? I didn't read it. I was too busy talking. I need to take a walk. Close it. Talk to NPCs. Where are the NPCs? Can I talk to these guys? No, I can examine. Examine what? The board? Can we go on this? Can we jump? Oh, hey, we can. Cool. Wait, if I go to... I see someone! Hello? Okay, bye. I want to go to the store. I want to buy stuff. I want to buy stuff. I want to buy shit. I want to buy food, because I'm pretty sure this guy needs it. Oh, clothes. Oh, wait, I can talk to you now. Green girl? Who's the green girl? Fuck you. I don't like Cozy. She sucks. I already don't like her. But what was the green girl she was talking about? But the green girl she talked... Wait, it did that green girl? It did? Hey, buddy. Can I hug you? I want to hug you. Yay, okay. I guess that counts as a hug. Can I talk to you? Oh my gosh, that's cute! Anyways. Who's the last NPC? Wait. Is it those guys over there? Can I talk to them? No? What about those guys? No. Wait, I just realized it's only been individual ones, so I don't think we're supposed to talk to groups and only singles. Maybe, wait, can we talk to the bartender here? If there is one? Oh, hey, there is! Don't eat glue. Why is there hot sauce? Oh no, what's happening? What's happening? Oh no! Oh no, are you okay? Baby! I already like him, he's a baby. And you know what? He's my baby and I will always protect him. I will protect him. I will protect him from whoever that guy who pushed him was. Firing? That's what his name was, wasn't it? Ah! You pushed me! Sleep. Sleep! What is this routine? What? Is this what? What did they? What did? What this? What did this? Who was that? Well, whatever. I'm not gonna listen to you. Oh, I have to go right? Do I have to go right? Is my name King Spawn, bro? I just for the record, I do not support spawnism. I will support the people who are groomed into it, but like people who. Okay, you know what? I'm just not gonna talk about that anymore. We're gonna focus on the game. All right, what's going on? Who? I'm still wondering who that person is. Oh, it is firing. Is this sword fights on the heights? Oh my god, they're so yaoi. Any idiot would be stupid enough to go through those holes. To go through the holes and the non-air stuff. I don't know. It is sword fight on the heights. I recognize that circle. I think. I hope. Is this where he was born? Can we talk? Can we hug, please? I don't. Wait. Why can't I see his face? Oh no! Oh no! Am I gonna get jump scared? Am I gonna get jump scared? Ah! I'm scared! I'm scared! I'm scared! Don't jump scare me! Oh no, I'm scared. Can I go? Can I jump off? Oh, I can't jump. Okay. Ah! That noise! That nightmare was. Oh no, that was a nightmare. Do we? Why is there no music? Do we talk to the same NPCs? I would assume so. Oh. Aw. They're both babies. I love them. Oh, I didn't mean anything by doing that. I meant like I was circling. I was spinning. I want to talk to you. I want to talk to one of these guys. Oh, I can't? Oh, fuck you. That sucks. Green girl. Oh no. Don't let me have a friend as always. Please don't let me. Oh no. I love you. Green girl. Oh. It's a hug. They hugged. Ah. Oh wait, is this why it's called Let Him Go? I honestly kind of thought she would sell like witch's brew or something. Because, you know, she's green. Alright, open sesame. I'm leaving the doors open. I don't care. Oh no, he's so low. Oh, fuck you! Fuck you! You know what? I'm I'm hitting you. I'm hitting you. I'm punching you in the face. I'm punching you in the face. Eh, 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 eh. Alright, there. Oh, he just faced through that door. Okay. Oh wait, he has a beard. Or like a start. I don't know. Oh no, what's going on? Oh no, what's going on? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, what's going on? Why is he always like this? It's scaring me. I love you, Spawn. If you die, I actually loved you. Trust me. So there. Pet pats. Sleep. Sleep. Why can I not sleep? God, bro. Alright. So I'm still wondering who that man is. If someone knows, please tell me. I wanna know. I wanna know. Ugh, fine. I guess I'll listen to you. Oh. What is this? Why was I floating? Do we go inside that house? Oh, it's a birthday. This doesn't seem like a nightmare. Oh. Maybe. Oh. Oh god. Oh god, I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. What's going on? What's going on? Get away from me. Oh, what's going on? Get away from me. Get away from me. I'm a minor. Don't touch me. I'm a minor. Don't touch me. I'm a What 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 was that? Oh no. What? Why was I'm still wondering why there's no music. Actually, I'm gonna leave that open. Later. For later. Oh, why does he have no face? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What's going on? What's going on? I'm scared. I'm scared. Why? Oh, I thought one of those flowers were dying. Why do they have no faces? Why did they have no faces? Why do they have no faces? I'm scared. Oh, hey, those are still open from yesterday. Oh, fuck you still. I'm gonna you. I'm making you. I'm kicking you in the face. I was kicking you. Alright, what's going on? Why does everyone have no faces? Alright, well now fuck fuck you too. Alright, baby, let's go. Oh. Do you want to hope there's not a nightmare? I wonder what the dream's gonna be tonight. Why do I hear heartbeats? I don't like that. I hear heartbeats. I don't like that. Oh no, what is this? I love you, Spawn! I'm sorry! What is this? Is this not is this a dream? Aw, this isn't, this doesn't really seem like a bad dream. I hope it's not a dream. Aw. What was that? Oh my god, what's gonna happen today? Why is it so dark? Why do I hear static? Why? What's going on? What? I'm scared. Why did I stop? Oh my god. No. 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 What just happened? What? God. What the fuck? What just happened? Oh no, he's dead. You're right, it is! Oh. Okay, now I kind of feel bad for both of them. What was that? Okay, that game actually made me feel like when it was like Jim's computer and like he shot himself and I don't like that. It was scary. Also, the noise it made when he got ran over, I did not like that. That sounded so crunchy or watery, I guess. Anyways, I need a while to collect myself after that, so I'm gonna end the video there.